you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Hooray!
Good morning, kids, and welcome to our Pebbles Online. Again, I'm Teacher Sharon, and we have a new lesson for today. Pero bago yon, may question ako, kids, sa inyo. Kung kayo'ng tatanungin, what's your wish? Or what's your request? Or what do you want to be in the future? Ano kayo sasabihin mo? Sige nga. Palagay ko meron eh. Siguro yung iba sa inyo gustong magkaroon ng big house or brand new car. Or I want to be rich. Or I want to be a doctor. I want to be a lawyer, an architect, a teacher. Marami tayong gustong hilingin kay God. At yung story natin ay tungkol doon. It's about the story of King Solomon. And his story can be found in 1 King chapter 3 verses 4 to 14. Si King Solomon ay anak siya ni King David. Kilala niyo naman siguro si King David, ano? A great king. And it's time for Solomon to be the king of Israel. And one day, pumunta si King Solomon sa Gibeon. Dun siya nag-offer ng burnt offerings niya. Marami siyang offerings na binigay, in-offer sa Lord. And that night, habang siya ay natutulog, nagkaroon siya ng dream. At sa dream niya, God is speaking to him. At nagtatanong si God sa kanya, "What do you want, Solomon?" Napaisip si Solomon. Sabi niya, "You're so kind to my father, King David, and even to me. You made me king of Israel. You gave me these things. But you know, I'm too young. I don't know what to do. How can I lead these people? Ang dami-dami nila. How can I be a leader to them? I want to have wisdom and a discerning heart. I want to know what is right and what is wrong." Siguro iniisip niya, paano ko i-handle yung mga taong ito and I'll be able to lead them sa mabuting paraan. Kaya yun ang hinihiling ni Solomon, wisdom from the Lord. And you know, nagulat si God sa kanyang request. Napakalinis ng puso ni Solomon. Hindi siya naghingi ng wealth, hindi siya naghingi ng another palace or many servants. O, hindi siya humiling ng kung ano-ano, anong mga bagay na malalaki or makikinang, no? Ang hiniling lang niya kay God ay wisdom and discerning heart. Natuwa ang Panginoon sa kanya, and He granted the desires of his heart. Binigyan siya ng wisdom. Kaya si Solomon, siya ay tinawag na wisest king. Kasi wisdom ang binigay sa kanya ni Lord. And because of that, kids, dahil alam ni God yung heart ni King Solomon and nag-o-obey siya kay Lord, hindi lang wisdom ang binigay sa kanya. Kahit hindi niya hinihiling, binigay sa kanya ni Lord. He blessed him with wealth, more wealth, and honor, and long life because of his obedience to him. Nakakatuwa, di ba? At alam nyo, nagising bigla si Solomon sa kanyang pagtulog. At he went back to Jerusalem. And again, he offered sacrifices, burned sacrifices to God as thanksgiving. At nagkaroon ng feast doon. Nagsaya sila, nag-celebrate because of God's goodness to him. Ang ganda ng story ni Solomon, right? Nakita natin na yung heart ni Solomon, napakabuti. Kaya binless siya ni God. Same thing with us kids. Nakikita ni God yung desires ng puso mo. And if your heart's desire is to glorify God and to do the will of Him and to please Him, ibibigay ni Lord whatever our requests. And kapag nakita pa niyang nag-o-obey ka kay Lord, baka may bonus pa. Tulad ni Solomon, hindi ng wisdom, but yung mga hindi rin niya hinihiling, binigay rin sa kanya ni God. It's bonus. No, additional blessings from the Lord. So, continue serving God, continue obeying God, and whatever your desires, I believe God will grant your desires.